Hey everyone! Welcome to Body Health, the channel where you get the best tips to improve your health and fitness. Today, we're sharing 9 effective ways to reduce those stubborn love handles. If you want to trim this area and achieve a more defined look, stick around. 1. Include core-focused exercises. First, include core-focused exercises. Planks, Russian twists, and side crunches are perfect for working the oblique muscles, helping to define your sides. Try doing 3 sets of 20 seconds of planks and gradually increase over time. Consistency makes all the difference. Practice these exercises 3 to 4 times a week to see results. 2. Get moving with cardio. Number 2, cardio. Running, cycling, or even dancing helps burn overall body fat. The key is to keep your heart rate up for at least 30 minutes. 4 to 5 times a week. Combine cardio with strength training for faster results. 3. Stay hydrated. The third tip is simple but essential. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps flush out toxins and boosts your metabolism. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Number 4, cut back on sugary and processed foods. These are packed with hidden fats and sugars that contribute to fat accumulation. Opt for whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats instead. 5. Sleep is key. Number 5, prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to increased fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to regulate hormones and optimize your body's recovery. 6. Try HIIT workouts, high-intensity interval training. Number 6, try HIIT workouts. These short, intense exercises followed by rest periods are highly effective for burning fat, including stubborn areas. 7. Add healthy fats to your diet. Number 7, include healthy fats in your diet. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can help reduce body fat when consumed in moderation. 8. Limit alcohol consumption. Number 8, limit alcohol. It's loaded with empty calories and can increase fat around the waist. If you do drink, opt for lower calorie options and keep it moderate. 9. Explore the keto lifestyle. Finally, number 9, explore the ketogenic lifestyle. A well-structured keto diet helps your body use fat as energy, making it a great ally in reducing love handles. And if you're ready to dive into the keto lifestyle, we have something special for you. The 500 Keto Diet Recipes Guide, packed with delicious meals and tips to help you lose weight without feeling deprived. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description to get instant access and start your journey today. So, those were 9 effective ways to lose love handles. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Body Health, and share it with someone who might need these tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.